Hey guys, it's Joey from the network. So we're going to be doing a pack opening of Wild Survivors, a new booster pack series coming out from Yu-Gi-Oh! Stay tuned. Alright, so let's get this going. I did post some screenshot of the cards that people are looking for. So let's see if we get one of them. File Formation Tenki, Super Soaring. Looks like we have a holo with Xeno Meteorus, Abandoned Archosaur. We have looks like it's a Transcendodorus Glaciosaurus. Wow, that's a mouthful. Incantation Candle, Miscellaneousaurus. A lot of dinosaurs on this one. Alright. Ivozar Solda. Preparation of Rites. Hungry Burger. Now, this is what I was looking for, but hopefully, unfortunately, this is not the collector's rare version. Incantation Calisslime. Eradicator's Academic Virus. Peter Retnandum. Chef's Special Recipe. Not bad. Nice pulls. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and give everybody a heads up of what the cards were like. And thanks for staying tuned. And until next time, happy hunting.